Introducing Plux, a charger truly embraces the revolution of wireless charging, allowing you to power up your iPhone 8 or 10, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Using quick charge technology, the ultra-speedy charging offered by Plux makes your life easier. What's more, it allows you to charge your phone with its case on and easily switch between a charging pad and phone stand. You don't have to worry the battery life when binge watching or listening. Simply place your devices on a pad. It will instantly charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. No more dead battery anxiety. With a simple design, Plux fits everyone's style. Plux, the best wireless charger, allows you to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once.
This is the ShiftCam 2, a compact multi-lens phone case that helps you take that perfect shot without all the heavy gear. It is the most lightweight and convenient way to capture your memories, just the way you want to remember them. Just shift, point, and shoot. The ShiftCam 2 allows you to slide and snap between 6 camera-enhancing lenses in one portable iPhone case. Wide angle to help you photograph the world just as you see it. Telephoto. Who knows? You may find yourself seeing much, much more. Fisheye. See everything from a different perspective. Macro. You're never too old to make new discoveries. Compatible with any stabilizer, you can wave goodbye to all limitations. We've even added an extra function, a wide-angle lens for your front-facing camera. So now you can see even more of you and your friends. Of course, this got us thinking, what else could we do with a phone case that can easily adapt? Now introducing ShiftCam's Pro Range, our hero set of interchangeable professional-grade lenses. Building on top of our patented and award-winning slide and snap mechanism with over 15 years of optical design experience. These are, hands down, the highest quality professional lenses for mobile phones to date. At ShiftCam, we're all about pushing the boundaries when it comes to shooting with your phone. They say the best part of memories is making them. We say the key to creating them is right there in your pocket. Be a part of the ShiftCam fam and help us take ShiftCam 2.0 to the next level.
Vita Stick is a nutrient status tracker. It's an innovative gadget that checks your vitamin and mineral levels using a smartphone. Based on the readings, Vita Stick provides personalized nutrition advice. You can easily keep track of your progress as the app saves the previous readings.
Your feedback and support encourage us to improve even more. Now we come back to you and proudly present our upgraded version, Vita Stick 2.
Vita Stick 2 is wireless and made of titanium. With a lighter, more durable body and a rechargeable battery, it offers even more quality. It's easier to use and more precise. Thanks to Bluetooth, Vita Stick 2 has a better compatibility with smartphones and tablets. Vita Stick uses a method called electroacupuncture that has been applied for decades to track imbalances in the human body through the electrical conductivity measured at the specific acupuncture points. Our first campaign far exceeded its original Indiegogo funding goal and delivered perks to all of the backers on time. We also got acknowledgments from many professionals and from our users.
Join our global community of Vita Stick users. Support Vita Stick 2 and be the first to get the device at a special Indiegogo price.
Nice. I have you now.